Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Jimmy Chu from the WTF company, and our product is called CNPaaS. It is a 给力的云应用发布平台. So it's Chinese, so apparently we are targeting Chinese markets. But if there's only, I know there are a lot of stuff to hear tonight, but if there's only one thing you could remember, it would be this one. Our platform is a platform to simplify developing and hosting WordPress and WeChat website. So the action items, if you are WordPress users and developers, come sign up at CNPaaS.io. If you are DevOps hackers, if you are a developer yourself, come join us. We need coders to continue to improve our products. And if you're investors, come chat with us afterwards. So what is the problems about we are trying to solve? So it starts from my own problems. I'm a developer myself, so I develop and deploy applications internationally for clients. And currently I'm using Heroku, so it gives me such a joy. Once I'm done with the code, I just have to upload the code, which we git push the code to the repository, and then it immediately detects the application types, and it built the backend infrastructure for me automatically. So it's very, very easy for me. Earlier this year, when I'm trying to do the same thing in China, I find nothing similar. I have to do everything from scratch by myself, and it takes me about half a day. It is quite painful. So I wonder if I could do something on this. But when I survey about this issue, this is not just my own problem. The number of developers in China are over a million. And the market size, actually this sector of cloud market size in 2013 are over 500 million. It is RMB. It is not a very big number, but it's growing fast. If you are looking at the cloud areas, a few years ago it was the Amazon EC2, those are the wave. And in the coming few years, it will probably be the application platform that could automatically deploy the VM and the server. So what is our solutions? What makes us functional is we want to build a platform to help developers to build great infrastructure. That means that now in China, they could deploy the apps automatically, and then we will also monitor the application health and keep the response time of the website short by doing some back-end and networking optimizations. If there are millions of people are coming to your websites, we will also try to make the scaling easy. So what would make us unique? First of all, we will have data center in China and Hong Kong. So if you are targeting Chinese audience, this is the hosting platform you want to come to. And secondly, we are targeting on two verticals. Instead of being generic and allowing people to deploy all kinds of applications, we want to focus on first WordPress, because it is one of the most commonly used applications. So we will do some special optimization on WordPress, such as seamless database migrations, and then you have different development environments. Third, the second vertical that we are focusing on is WeChat websites, actually app. So the thing is, WeChat is pretty much the WhatsApp in China, and a lot of people are building WeChat sites to drive sales, to do e-commerce sales. So we want to have some features to simplify people developing WeChat sites on our platforms. So give you if it sounds too abstract to you, I'll give you a brief walkthrough of our product. So you come to cnpaas.io, this front page, you come to register and log in, then you could start creating your first app. This is, say, app 02. And you will get a gift address, and you also get a domain name for your website. Of course, this is a long domain name, but you could also add your own custom domain name there. So this is a console that we developer works with all the time. So you could just push or upload your codes to our remote repository, and then voila, it will be done in a minute. So the website will be up with the domain. So these are simple static websites, and feel free to come to our website to explore of other features. And so who is our customer? On phase one, we'll be focusing on public cloud solution. That means that you don't have to care the hosting, where the hosting is, so we will do the hosting for you. And on the second phase, we'll be targeting on the private cloud solutions. So it's more for enterprise when people when people have on-premises data center, their own data center, they don't want to put things up in a third-party server. So our current team and progress. Have me, Jimmy Chu, and also my tech co-founder.